Hi, it's Pastor Kevin with Take a Time Out. I'm here at Staunton River High School. Ward Botetourt goes down tonight 42-6 against Staunton River Golden Eagles. I'm here with number 28 for the Cavaliers, Jacob Martin. Jacob, looked like you were everywhere on the field tonight. I saw you running from side to side. I lost count, quite frankly, on how many tackles you had. I know you played an excellent game there in the linebacker position. Seemed like the game was kind of nip and tuck in the first quarter. Staunton River comes out and scores. Botetourt answers with a long pass play. After that, things pretty well went downhill. Talk about the game tonight, some of your experiences.
Well, I'd say that us as a team, we did really good overall. It's just that sometimes we have some things to work on, and we've been trying to do it for this past week and last week. We've been practicing hard, and we've done everything we could, but yet there's still some things that we need to work on, and I'm pretty sure we can improve on it and do a lot better next game.
And now I know that next week we have homecoming at Ward Botetourt. Allegheny Mountaineers come in. Allegheny goes down hard tonight to Northside, so next week's game really will be an important game for the Cavaliers. How do you think the Cavaliers will be able to bounce back after this tough district loss?
Well, like you said, it is a homecoming game, so I say we're going to be a lot more ready for this, and since it's at home, I feel like we're going to come out ready, we're going to come out hitting hard, and I feel like everybody's going to be hyped up, and if not, I'm pretty sure defense will show up. I know defense will show up because I know they're ready to come.
Jacob, thanks for taking the time with Take a Time Out.